Welcome to the University of Rizal System Rodriguez College of Business. The College of Business has two programs offered, the Bachelor of Science in Business Administration and the Bachelor of Science in Office Administration, with 12 strong permanent faculty members. The Bachelor of Science in Office Administration program has 5 strong and qualified core faculty members with appropriate master's and doctoral degree. The URS Office Phase 4 Extension Project is the sole and official extension project of the BSLE program since 2016. It continues the University of Rizal System's commitment to equipping barangay workers with practical, relevant office management training. This phase strengthens community partnerships by delivering a comprehensive 90-hour program which focus on efficiency, customer service, and records management using the Kaplan mnemonic approach. Building on the success of previous phases, Phase 4 aims to enhance workplace competencies and empower participants to improve and sustain public service delivery. The URS Office well-defined objectives. The URS is a premier state university operating 10 campuses across Rizal Province. It provides comprehensive education, research, and extension services to its stakeholders, guided by its vision, mission, and goals, which ensure academic excellence, community empowerment, and responsive public service for regional and national development. The URS upholds its quality policy, institutional brand, strategic goals, and distinguished branding symbols as unified guides that ensures excellence, identity, and purpose across all its programs and services. Extension is a vital university function that transforms research outputs into meaningful community service. These commitments aligned with national priorities, CHED guidelines, and the UN Sustainable Development Goals, ensuring that the university's initiatives remain relevant, responsive, and globally attuned. Guided by the College of Business's trust on poverty alleviation, livelihood development, and social equity, extension initiatives are designed to empower communities while nurturing partnerships with government agencies, private institutions, and local organizations. Consistent with its vision, URS ensures its extension projects include faculty, students, and stakeholders, conducting structured, sustainable, and relevant activities, often formalized with local government units to foster growth, civic responsibility, and community engagement. Guided by CHED Order No. 52, Series of 2016, UN Sustainable Development Goals, and the URS Framework, the university implements extension projects focused on key areas like poverty alleviation, sustainable development goals, and social equity, which empowers undeserved communities toward sustainable development. The URS fulfills its mandate by integrating instruction, research, extension, and production services with its extension framework, focusing on national priorities and UN Sustainable Development Goals, while the College of Business and the BSOE program specifically contribute by developing competent, ethical, technology-driven, and service-oriented graduates. The URS Office adequate and relevant programs. URS Office delivers relevant and adequate programs by following a clear phase-based development approach grounded in the URS extension framework and strengthened by sustainability that ensures a long-term community adoption, continuous capacity building, and lasting impact. Through systematic modules, assessments, and hands-on application, the office programs enable participants to translate knowledge into functional practice, thus upholding URS commitment to transforming communities, by ensuring transparency, accountability, and improved service quality in public offices. Its initiatives such as orientations, trainings, and capacity building activities are systematically designed to equip community personnel with essential skills while ensuring sustainability through continuous support and structured program development. The URS office activities, including trainers' presentations, the introduction of the mnemonics, and the program's formal closing, are strategically delivered to reinforce learning, enhance retention, and ensure that participants leave equipped with practical, memorable, and sustainable skills. The creation and the presentation of the CapGlen mnemonics serve as a strategic learning tool designed to simplify complex office management concepts, enhance recall, and support barangay workers in applying essential skills more effectively and sustainably. The copyrighted CapGlen mnemonics were developed and presented as an original structured learning tool designed to enhance retention, simplify key office management concepts, and support sustainable skill application among barangay workers. Certificates were issued as evidence of participation and partnership. The URS Office Systematic and Effective Procedures. The University of Rizal system implements extension programs through a well-defined policy-driven process guided by the URS Extension Manual and approved by the Board of Regents. All programs, projects, and activities are systematically proposed, reviewed, approved, monitored, and evaluated, including monthly and quarterly checks to ensure quality and issue resolution, culminating in terminal report and presentation at the RDEP Congress after initial approval by the President based on the University Extension Advisory Committee's evaluation. Faculty extensionists prepare proposals that are initially evaluated by the college dean, the campus extension head, and the campus director, then presented for in-house review and revised after endorsement to the UEAC and approval by the university president. The director for extension facilitates the MOA signing, the NTP issuance, and the terminal report submission. Prior to the project rollout, a memorandum of agreement is established with partner beneficiaries, and faculty involvement in extension is continuously encouraged through official advisories and memoranda. The development framework guides the systematic planning, implementation, the monitoring, and evaluation of extension projects to ensure alignment with university priorities, community needs, and sustainable outcomes. The development framework incorporates pre- and post-test to assess participants' learning and measure the effectiveness of the extension project and guide improvements for sustainable outcomes. The URS Office Extension Project also uses work performance evaluation tool to measure learning and skill application, exemplifies a systematic, well-defined, and well-planned participatory approach that aligns with university goals, meets community needs, and ensures sustainable capacity building and lasting empowerment. The extension project uses client satisfaction and faculty ratings to evaluate effectiveness, ensure quality, and implementation, which promotes empowerment. It ensures ethical participation through informed consent forms and evaluates effectiveness using appropriate ratings. The URS Office Reasonable Budget. The University of Rizal system allocates funded resources to support extension projects covering personnel, operations, and equipment needs to ensure compliant, accountable, and effective implementation, such as in URS Office Phase 4. The URS provides funding support for approved extension proposals of qualified faculty, covering essential project expenses such as travel, supplies, and services, while assigning the project leader to facilitate all procurement needs for successful implementation. The URS Office program operates with a budget allocated by the university, which is reviewed and approved by the Board of Regents and the university president to ensure proper funding and compliance with policies. The URS Office provision of materials and other resources. The College of Business BSOE program implements extension project funded by the university with honoraria, support and allowances per faculty, and supplemented by partner-provided equipment, materials, and food as specified in the URS Office Phase 4 Memorandum of Agreement with Barangay San Jose, Rodriguez Rizal. As mandated function of the university, the extension project is equipped with offices, ICT resources, training materials, and funded provisions such as honoraria for travel and other expenses, secured through the advanced preparation of the program of receipts and expenditures. The university supports faculty who engage in extension work by providing honoraria or teaching the loading, recognizing the significant time, the effort, and community impact involved in preparing, delivering, and sustaining meaningful outreach programs. The URS Office participation of significant number of stakeholders. The university ensures inclusivity in its extension programs by requiring consultations among proponents, beneficiaries, and other parties involved before project approval. The administration of the URS system, College of Business, manages project proposals, coordinates with partner agencies, provides technical assistance, support training logistics, organizes venues, monitors implementation, and ensures compliance with the extension manual. The local government unit or the partner agency mobilizes barangay personnel, provides counterpart financial and logistical support, coordinates schedules and venue arrangements, and facilitates necessary documents such as consent forms and authority letters for the training program. Faculty extension practitioners prepare project proposals, conduct and facilitate trainings as resource speakers, monitor and evaluate outcomes, and complete documentation and terminal reports for the extension program. Beneficiaries actively participate in all training activities by attending face-to-face and online sessions, joining ceremonies, taking pre-test and post-test, signing informed consent forms, undergoing work performance evaluations, and applying the skills learned to their office tasks. While the BS Office administration students act as implementers, supporting faculty and project execution by assisting with documentation, preparing materials and venues, aiding in program flow, facilitating selected modules, and ensuring organized training sessions. The URS Office is well documented. The University of Rizal system enforces accountability in all its extension programs, requiring project leader to submit complete terminal reports within 45 days to ensure proper documentation, financial transparency, and program integrity. The URS Office Best Practices. The award-winning University of Rizal Systems Office Personnel Information Sharing Program is a highly successful extension initiative, distinguished by its systematic 90-hour training that equips barangay personnel with practical skills in records management and customer service and office procedures, earning recognition for its methodology and documentation. A key best practice of URS Office is the official adoption of its original, often copyrighted office outputs including forms, guides, and mnemonic based on IEC materials by Barangay San Jose, which significantly improves their daily administrative operations and workflow. The evidence of URS Office utilization.
Ang alam po ng pamalang barangay ng San Jose Kami po ay lubos na nagpapasalamat sa University of Rizal System sa pagbabahagi ng kaalaman at pagsasanay. Pinapangako po namin na patuloy namin gagamitin ang mga natutunan sa URS Office dahil ang modelong naibahagi at naipakilala sa aming mga empleyado ay malaking tulong sa operasyon at serbisyo ng aming barangay sa aming nasasakupan. Muli, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagiging katuwang ng pamahalaang barangay.
Thank you for watching.